Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play NBA 2024. First, make sure your Nintendo Switch has enough storage, typically around 50 gigabytes for the game. You can either download it digitally from the eShop or use a physical game cartridge. Next, connect your console to a reliable internet connection for essential updates and online matches. Finally, set up or log into your Nintendo account to unlock all the exciting features and start your basketball journey. Now, let's cover the fundamental controls. To move your player, simply use the left joystick. When you have the ball, press the B button for a precise pass to a teammate. For shooting, hold down the Y button and release it as your player reaches the highest point of their jump for the best accuracy. The A button is perfect for executing quick dribble moves and crossovers to outmaneuver defenders. Ready to elevate your game? On offense, try a pick and roll by holding the L button and pressing the left joystick to call a screen. To drive to the basket, hold the R button while moving the left joystick. Defensively, quickly switch players by pressing the B button. When an opponent shoots, time your Y button press to attempt a block and deny them points. These tactics will significantly improve your performance. NBA 2024 offers several exciting game modes. In My Career, you can create your own player and guide them from a rookie to a superstar. For quick action, jump into play now against the computer or a friend. My Team allows you to build your dream roster by collecting player cards and competing online. And don't forget 2KU, the perfect training ground to hone your skills and master new techniques.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.